returned to the deep, dark woods.
For the abandoned village. Oh goodness! Oh, it's a monkey! Ah!
We're back home! Yeah!
Let's hope we don't get killed.
History. How annoying it's gotta be to live around this particular part. Oh, what a wonderful day out here. Ah, look, there's birds chirping, and next thing you know, you got two pendejas walking over here. God, can you imagine living here?
Oh my god.
Oh my god. This is where our founding fathers used to hang. There's a oh my god, look, there's grass. Oh my god.
New mission. We gotta find the ghost of William Wilcox. What?
People carved their names into this.
Wow.
People so passionately in love. They took knives and they carved their names into these very roots so they never disappear. Seems I have lost my dark-colored friend. And here I found a great ravine, if that is what it's called. What is that in the distance? Oh my god, it's after me! It is grabbing my footsies! So now, we investigate the deeper, dark depths of this place, and my god, look at that. Oh. Sing it! And here we have dear Prince, or perhaps the Prince of Windigo. Hey, look, and there's even the houses over there. We made it back to the village. Woo! Oh, they got freaking graffiti on them. Oh. That must mean it's good to go inside.
I'm a vibe seeker, man. I'm a vibe seeker, bro.
Vibe seeker? What is that symbol? What is that? I wonder what lives down there.
Come here, Georgie.
They say don't go inside, but I am so very tempted to go inside. What
you doing in my house?
Oh, oh, wait a minute. Oh, there's sesame! There's sesame! Oh my gosh! I guess this is supposed to be a gazebo, a picnic space, or whatever the hell. Pergola, that's what it is.
They had Americans here?
Probably. We have gathered here today in this wonderful gazebo. So that we may celebrate the love of one CJ and Mrs. Pinecone. If anyone wishes to, of course, deny this, then do speak now. You may kiss the bride.
I love you, girl. Come on. Can join these two. Mocapple.
Mocapple?
Yeah.
Mocapple? What was that?
We went into a big circle. It was a jagged circle, but it was a circle.
It was a circle.
Thank you for the adventure, sir.
Of course, my boy.